right, so this is day 3 of the LADME experiment, the low altitude drone monsoon experiment, internally funded, and we are preparing for a good day. We had an MCS over the valley last night that sent an outflow up here and some mid-level cloud that moistened it up, and we're already seeing some distant convection over the mountains, over the Black Hills to our northwest, also out over the Verde Valley, and the mid-level cloud is cleared up. It's destabilizing. It feels very humid. The dew points are around 60 degrees Fahrenheit. We're flying, Dr. Schroeder is doing a lawnmower pattern over this area in the manned aircraft, and so he's going to be stair-stepping that up, and then we're going to be flying the drones, doing some multi-rotor profiles up to 400 feet above ground level. And then we're also going to be doing lawnmower patterns with the fixed wing drone. And we're just about ready to launch the balloon to validate and also to provide a full profile. So it's going to be a great day.
Clear prop. On the way, right?
You have to watch it the whole time, but you're not controlling the vision.
Yeah, we're just making sure if it were to squirrely were to happen, we could take control. But yeah, we're just maintaining line of sight.
Should be right about over me right now.
Yeah, he's catching up with that.